I'm just going to finish up the notes for chapter 6 because there's not very many. And this is what I was showing with the periodic table. The electron configuration using your periodic table is pretty slick. You know, if you follow it with the numbers that I gave you, again, remember 3D and this is 4D and 5D and then there's 4F and 5F. You're going to get most of them. And there are a few elements that are wacky. But you know what? I'm not going to worry about it because I want you to understand how to do the configurations, and I don't want you to have to worry about the ones, but there are some that are off, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay. Some abnormalities, what will happen is they start filling the D and they'll take a few from the S. I don't know why, and there's only a few elements that do this. Chromium is one of them. Okay. So instead, what it'll do is to fill the D's faster, it'll steal some S, so you'll have like 4S1 and then, you know, 3D, whatever. So they'll steal some, but I don't care if you know that. I mean, I don't expect you to go back and memorize all the elements that do things in the wrong order. And this is what I mean. Chromium is number, let's see, that'd be 18 and 6. So what is that, 22? Anyway, what it does is it goes, instead of 4S2 and then 3D4 like it should be, it steals one from the S to fill the 5 up. Okay, I don't expect you to memorize that, but there are some abnormalities sometimes when that happens. Okay, so that's not what you expect. This is what you expect: 4S2, 3D4. And again, before argon, there'd be 1S2, 2S2, and all that stuff. But we're going to just stick with this. Okay, we're going to go with the norm, not the abnormal. Okay, so chromium can be abnormal as it wants. When we do configurations, we're going to stick with the normal. Okay, so this occurs again because the force and the 3D, their energies are pretty close, so they can jump around. But again, we're not going to worry because I don't expect you to memorize all the electrons that don't follow the rules. Okay, there's lots of abnormalities when you get the F blocks and the Ds. So again, we're just going to go in the order of the periodic table. We are not going to worry about the crazy ones. Okay, so you know, keep that in mind. All right, that was the end of the notes. So that's why I just added this little extra part to it.